Welcome to America Reads Fun and Easy Learning Activities. Today I will be teaching you the basics to writing an argument. To get started, I will be showing you the basics to make up a good and strong argument. Here we have an example claim that states that potatoes are the best vegetable. Looking at this claim, you can either argue that potatoes are the best vegetable, or you could argue that potatoes are not the best vegetable, depending on your opinion. In this case, though, we are being asked to support the claim given, so we have to argue that potatoes are the best vegetable, even if we disagree. When trying to support a claim and build an argument, we always have to look at the positive things of whatever we're arguing about. You have to remember that the whole point of an argument is to convince other people to agree with us. So you don't want to include the negative things about it, because then you'll shift people to the other side. Some positive facts that we can use to make our argument stronger can be that we can use potatoes to make French fries and mashed potatoes, and probably the most favorite snack ever, potato chips. Another positive fact that we could use to support our claim is that potatoes are actually really healthy for you and they are delicious. All of those facts could really convince anyone that potatoes are better than broccoli. On to our next and most interesting claim. I think most of us can agree that candy is a better snack than apples. Now, with this claim that we were given, we have to give reasons as to why candy is a preferable and better snack than an apple. Think of ways in which you could convince your mom or dad to give you candy instead of giving you an apple. Some facts that we can use to support this claim could be that your body actually needs some type of sugar to function properly. And also, if you're not given a certain amount of sugar as a child, that can actually cause some type of health issues when you're a big adult. When doing research and trying to find facts to support a claim, you can always go online and do a little bit of research on it and find interesting and strong facts. That concludes today's little lesson, so thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you come back really soon and learn some more with me. Please comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with tons of new fun activities.